How to enable developer mode in Chromebook. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can enable developer mode using your Chromebook. Now on your dashboard or on your home screen, you should be able to see a circle icon which is located at the lower left, which is going to be your launcher option or your launcher icon. Tap on that or click on that, and then just simply access your Chromebook settings. Now from Chromebook settings, just choose on apps. Now from apps, you will be redirected into manage your apps, notifications, or manage Google Play preferences. Choose on manage your Google Play preferences, and from there you will only see two options, your Android settings or your Chromebook settings. Choose between those two options, is going to be the same thing, and then you will be redirected into your Chromebook build number. You just have to click it multiple times or four times until you will see a prompt that you are currently on a developer mode. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to enable developer mode on your Chromebook.